Are you thinking of buying a 3D printer? With a 3D printer, you can build models, such as a phone case, figurines, cosplay materials and musical instruments, just to name a few. As a matter of fact, these machines offer endless possibilities. Before you dive into this world, here are a few things that you should know. 1. Types of 3D printers. 3D printers use state-of-the-art technologies that help you produce physical things. Among all the printers, FDM, which is short for Fused Deposition Modeling, is the most popular. FDM creates a model by heating and forcing out plastic. These printers are easy to find. Aside from this, the selective laser sintering and stereolithography are the two other types of 3D printing machines, but they are a lot more expensive. 2. Custom-built printers. Building your own 3D printer may cost less, especially if you have a lot of spare time. But if you don't have the time and skills to build one, you can go for a pre-assembled printer. However, if you need one to start your hobby as soon as possible, go ahead and buy one from the market. 3. Price. The price of a 3D printer varies based on several factors, such as the quality of the output. Generally, the quality printers may cost as much as $1,000. However, the professional machines may cost more than $2,000. But if you are just starting out, we suggest that you go for a simple model that won't cost you more than $100. 4. Materials. For printing in 3D, two materials are required: acrylonitrile styrene and polylactic acid. Both of the materials get soft when heated, but solidify when the temperature drops. The cost of a spool is under $50. Before you choose a material, make sure you know what the final product should look like. Aside from this, it is also important to note that not all printers will accept both types of the material. 5. Safety. Safety should be your first priority when it comes to using a good 3D printer. You need to take a few precautions. 3D printers produce a lot of heat when printing an object. So, make sure you don't burn yourself. Aside from this, the machine may emit fumes that may be toxic. Lastly, make sure you use only food-grade plastic for the printer. 6. Quality. If you want to produce quality printed products with your printer, make sure you take into account two things: print speed and resolution. Actually, print resolution is the degree of detail the machine can produce. Usually, it is in microns. The smaller the microns or the higher the resolution of the object will be. The print speed of the machine measures the speed of the extruder. However, the speed of the machine will be affected by many factors. So, these are a few important things that you should keep in mind when buying a good quality 3D printer. Make sure you spend a few extra bucks and go for a printer that will print quality products.